it said to them,
Ye catch a woman say,
make not mischief on the earth.
Mamma, hey, ye, na mon get to confuse was as so.
They say,
As a moment can say, some confusion for Tinoka.
why? We are only want to make peace.
Was it there? Yes, you got a very confusion here. Confusion be there, confusion for. Yes, me for. Who has been young for so many? You are not after peace. And all the time, Biano, especially in your man. And say, Sam, my one in your man, Oko, what I don't base there, the people was sick. And you know what I know. But what do we are? Coco, who be a scanifibano. You want to run away, you can't. And whatever because of Bibi or what? But and my bizarre audio, man, some is an audio. Yes. Mama born of her life, Mamati, Marcus Man and the kind. Or quite a month for the Unkunum Namso. Some con Nigeria could drew me. Saudi I do know what it in a home, or but it in a man, I say, no, they do not show, or Beman in a da, or Beman in the room, that was who grana, or you club Beman Boko done that Nadaka Manasono, a bonnet, you didn't. Or so Beman who was who club Beman Tim want to be. A man of our voice no matter, or can house him, but he last some of the Muslim ladies, and I say, man, be so called IGS, what they do is too serious. I saw dear, what dear. I'll come and pay it on air. Namuntie, Momata, Monte, after praying it, I'll explain to you, and you know what they do. The Ukuno, Oko Waranoa, over than Bola, so second of Obaya Bola. Oman and Numa Samaka, the young girl on Nigeria, to see them, Namacho, or Yaman Adamfo, or Castle said, don't be with the Nigeria, into a China down for Juma Doni, and then Yanko Port and Penano, and my recording up here. So we pray for people to listen one day. No one day, it's a Friday, it's me, have a connect, I will do it, and you listen. Yanko Port said they deceive people. Obviously, they are making peace.
Of a sure, they are the ones who make mischief.
Yanko Port said the Korean woman they are born for.
But they realize it not.
That's a big frame. Also, when nobody have black cabinet. No, what is that? What is it? What is that? I say, I know no friend, brother and friend because their brother is facing problem now. No, what is black cabinet? Explain to me, what is that? Moi. No, say, Linia, boy, Bina, or so, no, baby. I can tell now what chat the body. So what trying honam and the cockrumity. So the building they try, so the pan in the war you know with the pea, and no banner so Eddie Warden didn't with the pin on dim with the diaphragm, and on my café, say, Omun Fium, no quitida, and as I say, our Omantiman water, it is again not to be a one note today, and I wanted to go, I don't go get it into your antenna. Into a solution, I'm saying, we need solution, mini solution, mini solution. Let me catch it out. So I just one of those pieces of pieces they were paying open minifio, me catch it out and mark minifio. I don't have anything. The only thing I have is Allah. Me time do a me and I was what men, they obey be a new wound never tell about. I'm telling you, whatever you do, we are if you ask your own car. When I say I'm not a black cabinet or friend Mala Bibizan say, near me go yen Islam Makwa and Makwa, was a friend of some friend Mala Bibizan. Was it Malana? Some no, some Nafena, Marco trouble. That's why you want man to come and save you. I don't have any solution to you. No solution for you. Many solution here. In the morning, come and but me, I don't have solution. The solution is that why evil, so you have to pay the price of the evil. Onye is fine for the bachelor bed. Say, walk for bar. Number one, I demand one in the book. Number two, walk on till cockrumity, and a moja pay, and I want moja pay, and moja friend of Matafre, moja tafre, moja some say, grand moon pay here, Paris, Livia. Moja nipa moja tafre. One moja tafre. And you call this a religion? Serious. These are the so-called Muslims. They do evil. Ours as so, and they claim that after doing the evil, they call people and they say they are peacemakers. I'm saying they are lying. They are not. Those man from we say, most among our here, you are evil, you are the confusion greatest. You are not making peace. You better stop it before you meet Allah. Yes, I'm only going to that. I'm going to catch him.
وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا كما آمن الناس قالوا
نعم
أنؤمن كما آمن السفهاء
نعم
ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون.
نعم
When it said to them, believe as others believe, they see, shall we believe as the fools believe?
They are fools. Those of you believe in God sincerely, and they also Jimmy, and now we are bar, we are boy, when they get away Jimmy, we are girl, when the boy away Jimmy. Oh, soon I too much. I say, would they we and I said, would they we too much? I did Yamisun quite about so, and I would tell them, and do person we idea what they want to see you as a fool today. This hour. Yamisun for 2 serious or no, live you how to me good him, go with him and move away crashing. The moves away crashing. And now we a party, no one for be a Guinness and can we crashing. Oye bibi no amfa akọ hanka ho wamfa nnema nkwasasama mba oye kurasi ni de se ndeye awure bebrazo ngofo maaye no makofa spinners no makofa dwumbi a yese kakai ene na asefo adwuma any meaning, and they call it civilization. Besides some of them juma mobe, what is the message? Because a don't go with message. What is the message? Nothing. Absolute nonsense. But people are jumping. That's the time they are running away. They run to the malam. Don't go to the malam. They did not listen to her. On from man for the pitia. More time go and pitch no my cover speaker. O Casaco Biante. Then when we go do from Jumwa, speaker Cassiano Mississippi, and next see Ramadan Bay. When you see what Muslim religions are doing, it's too evil. You are planting your own evil, and you go and meet it on the way. Some of you see, now me seem stubborn. Now me show more. I was saying, "I must see quiet." You see, Rabo. You say, "Who be on bedi? I do my mobile. Sit down and ask yourself, me kwa warrior, a warrior do na me born. What benefit would that music do to me in the marriage? What benefit? Nonsense, because a jumna mobile, most of them are nonsense. It doesn't go with religion. It doesn't go with anything. It goes with nonsense. Because and you are expecting to have a peace in your marriage, you will not. You will never. Those who want ya you will amano, ya you will kafirun. What it will be any baby ojina. If you want to follow the word, just follow the word. But don't be a hypocrite. That you also nyame koran ka ontimi kan anya koran po a yen kan wo sala woni me ye and I'm for ko bebre mi card baby a intention before you go to Mecca if you go nim mika onim nyokoka we go to Kaaba baby e ko Abraham ko suffer the Mara, they don't know what they say, they absolutely say nothing. They come back and they come and do nonsense. Ako hajo ako make 10 times omo na ye gboropo omo garage nkosesama amanfo okoya awura aju weku hom this omo na shisha agro wanya agro am say awura ba mu yada they their community and they do all kind of evil and they call it Islam. It's not. Basu nya me o dia nya me atro bibi Quran no nyakopo de man fact na think it have me saying I left nothing untaught in the Quran. Nothing else. Now we be someone say Islam don't believe in those nonsense. But freedom. But you pay the price here before you die. After planting the evil, you go inside. You see how what will happen to your own children. Or baby may catch on there. First show baby and sonka. One man would destroy one winning. O mama on the mom right here. Everybody weed for everybody now but for open not on Tia that Nimin Kwam Yarana Suka Sumba Keka Alakadazu. No tell them. Got madam.
Today, of the show.
Nakupa said no crane may catch them.
They are the fools, but
they are the fools.
But they do not know.
Because so soon you see that you are fool. Osum motia, you are fool. Okosum malama, you are a fool. Okosum nipa, or so for whoever. Say we nipa no asum nyamena okosum nipa, you are a fool. But you don't know. Sana Bible can also back say didn't chain it sin the promise and company. Didn't she? Kosia Pamu Kosia. They that who say that there's no God. Nyamese man you say you are wise, you are not. They go tell me, and yeah, I go to buy, the will be quiet, go to buy the bar take the tonight. And you to buy, you want to buy what's any day. There are some areas in Dubai, well, who go to buy to those of you go to Dubai, there are people who go to Dubai, there are areas in Dubai who see cannot cry, and they are Muslims. Baby Dubai, get free Kabutia, Asobako, Abu Dhabi, who come to see a estate or Poswa, Okowa, estate back, then back on the Buokatia, and they are there, Masacho, Masino, they worship Allah 5 times a day. The sky of their mom. Now, if you got now, got a year, play the ground, I passengers class now, in the business class. Now, I got first class. Passengers, section out, if you be at the economy, that's economy. But I want to I'm up for 81st class, in business class, economic class now. That means economic is a be maybe you'll be at it. Yeah, quite, you'll be in United, or why will be at it? Popular stand. As I go study, I get to be VIP, and the popular stand. And your old popular stand, a popular seat, and economic a seat. Who you be? I could buy over DJ, but if it's I just want to get $20,000 and $40,000. Will be the millions of dollars. What the Chrome was Westala. And I get the van, I got China, good man, I got this one. New idea. I'm going to Ghana. No chantro, no misleading people. And you do evil. What about Koweska Musumyami? As go for in Arabo, or Drakwasa Westala was soon. Who named in a couple of Bino. Man, computer, and your another message. Now.
Let's go to the system.
The system, I'm saying.
أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى.
نعم.
وما ربحت تجارتهم وما كانوا مهتدين.
نعم.
These are they who believe betrayed.
Huh?
These are those who betrayed guidance, the believers. The guided believers.
That's right. Was it going on? Sir, not on phone, Monafiki phone. They betray those who have been guided. I said, almost Yami, almost for which you can near him. Say, Ginny for ba, a push a 2 be. Nasa, we are okay. How can Koran or Banamo can summon depend on ya? You can't believe it. And Ginny for you, they can live more than 10,000 years. See, can I what? Makasha, there was a genie beer, gave me a man and by Bobby. Genie Biba, send my car natural. Commander baby naughty. Check with you for us, you were so naughty. But 1:30, I see a friend, or back again was 1 year, only baby and you could pay a week. Mutiana Samokano, genie in the young cancer. Was one of your walk or bar or a snake no bar. There are no Solomon, time no war. The Jesus Christ now in India, the Mohammed, the Jesus Christ in India, the name one is an enemy. Well, Monamina, Queen of Sheba, if Sheba ever Solomon, no Minaka, Solomon. The Solomon town now existed. Still, what doesn't come on. So you can just imagine how people can use them. No, so no, when you pay you might be because Nipa they use so many evil. And also one person at Timodo couldn't have opened. Sadly, didn't make. But Nipa they use one airport. And then one day I started in once and bet a subject to be we don't want to mislead people. Your Quran, who can't Quran ayah, who serious ayah Quran. You need to make trouble. With sincerity. Your ayah's Quran, I have fire, a jack. What kind of genie will feel good? But those of you to a momoko say I'm pam genie mamma. Maybe I'm not genie, no one or cotton about fear. Most of the people are cotton genie about fear. Welcome, madam, when you are more cuckoo, for myself, you corner. No more by cuckoo when you found my cuckoo. Cuckoo now, come out of one and so on. ade e wa suit so ba e be se ofie no ade e so no e betima bo ho ba e bo ho ba ka so ai nsam bi wo wiase a ana ye nye public consumption be mu hating ya se mu kan pe we spend everything out na man from the world in which we live nsam bi wo ha nyam bi wo books bi wo me se me di be fia aba kire mu a obi wa wonti ni kwa da wiase amo I'm very careful.
These are they who have betrayed guidance for error, but their traffic is profitless, and they have lost true direction.
Now, say, Omatom, Gidi, no matter Omato Bonnet, Omato Yaraquine. The guidance and Omatom. Omi Muslims, Omatom Islam, no? They are maybe as it. The Yanko Ponson, Omatono, Abrigu, and a summon for Subia Momubiasa, Timota, Sumina for Subia. So soon Yanko Pon direct. Now we train Yanko Pon, I get your hand, also for me that I get your idea. I go make a trade and say, my who said, and question Islam, then question of a comfort, what quite was so open question. Question of it. After say, why Sala, where Sala Noa, Woody Johnson, Sala, where Sala Noa, Mutiasi with Demon. Where Sala will comfort, what on Munipo Mojano? Ah, I want to know. I think that Islam, quite a bit of it. I'm going to be open, comfort. I mean,